are few places on Earth as beautiful as this. Even fewer with a history like this. This land of Vikings and the midnight sun. Here, around this fjord, grew a tradition of designing and making extraordinary furniture. And out of that came the most comfortable seating in the world.
The comfort starts from inside. You can see how the steel tubes are bent. The steel tubes are made to fit your body and your backbone. The seat is bent to fit your legs. And the whole shape of the frame is actually designed for your best comfort.
Travel back 80 years and you'll find furniture makers all up and down this fjord. Second sons, the ones who would not inherit the family farm, began making furniture in the barns, mastering Scandinavian design and perfecting human comfort. And families mortgaged farms to help furniture businesses grow. And communities came together, with farming and fishing helping to maintain the local economy when furniture markets faltered. And year on year, they grew in strength, deepened their bonds, honed their expertise. And this fjord became an epicenter of creative furniture design and innovative engineering. Here is where art and science became one.
The core design philosophy for Econes is that all our product has to have the best comfort possible to make. But you also have to like what you see.
Here is where you find designers and engineers working together. People with an eye for detail, a mastery of ergonomics, and a feel for the leather. And the help of some very, very smart robots. All working to create the most comfortable seating in the world. This fjord is where it begins. Your home is where it belongs.